So a lot of people in 2025 say that segmentation is not that important with the new Meta Andromeda update. Now I'm going to dive into some of my clients' campaigns, and I'm going to show you if you should do segmentation for your campaigns or you shouldn't. Okay, so you can see here, this is one of our ad sets, and as you can see here, segmentation is really important when it comes to locations, because we use a strategy where we only allocate money towards those countries that are going to have the best results. Okay, and what we do is separate all the assets between those countries. For example, we have S tier, A tier, and B tier. Okay, so what we do is the S tier are the top countries that are going to have the best results, but at the same time are going to be a little bit more expensive. Then A tier, and then B tier. Okay, and that is really important when you're going to segmentate. Okay, so yeah, segmentation when it comes to location is really important in 2025. Now, what if we do audience? What if we suggest an audience to Meta? Okay, that is good if we do it. I don't really suggest you to add a lot of audiences into Meta ads if you are already being clear with your ad. Okay, in 2025, the most important thing is to be clear in your creative and to target really well in your creative. Okay, so for example, if you're doing an ad that you're selling only to restaurant owners, then you should talk in the first 3 seconds, hey, are you a restaurant owner? Or for example, if you're selling product that is only for grandmas, it's only for people that is above 55 or 60 years old, then hey, are you above 55 years old and you have this problem? That's one of the most important things, because Meta Ads knows exactly what kind of audience are you trying to reach with your creative. So that is why it's not really important to suggest audiences. Although I recommend you to add 1, 2, maximum of 3 audiences in 2025. So in this case, what we're doing is we want to target people related to music that wants to hear music and everything related to this niche, okay? Because we are promoting music. So what we need to do is just add 2, 3, as I said, maximum 3 detailed targeting keywords. Okay, so in this case our focus is to get new streams for our music. So what we're going to do is just put keywords related to music. For example, music, right? So we're going to put music, entertainment, you see interest. Then as what we're promoting is our playlist in Spotify, we're going to put Spotify. And then we could add something like party. Okay, so people go on party, they go and listen to music. So what we're going to do is party. Let's see if there's something related to party or songs. If not, we're gonna find songs. You see, songs, music, and then we're gonna add them, and just, yeah, that would be our detailed targeting. We don't necessarily need a lot of targets. Like, we don't need 10, 15 targets as we used to have 5 years ago or 6, 7 years ago. We just need 3 keywords, such as I said, and yeah, just something that is really broad is really important. Meta nowadays don't want to have a really narrow audience. They want to be as broad as possible, but within certain limits, of course. Just be clear on your creative. Just optimize your creative as high as possible to show the people what you offer and what's your audience target in your creative. So that would be the video for today. If you want to work with a marketing agency that take care of every single aspect of your Meta ads and your TikTok ads and your Google ads, then in the description you have a link to book a call with my agency, and then we can see you in the call and show you how we can optimize all your campaigns. So for more, just subscribe for seeing new videos, like the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.